Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation for English Level 2. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. After that, I'm going to talk about my 3 experiences in a farmhouse. Then, I'm going to talk about the weather in a farmhouse. As to finish, I'm going to give you some recommendations if you go to farmhouse. Okay. This is me. I am Edwin de Jesus Romero Montes. I am 27 years old. I am single. I was born in the city of Sincelejo. I am a student. And the electronic energizer. I like to travel. I like swimming. I like to play soccer. Okay, let's continue my 3 experience in farmhouse. Okay. Last weekend I went to a farmhouse. I stayed there for 2 days and went with my family. I liked it because I was cheap. I just paid 500,000 pesos en total. I liked it because there were a lot of the place to visit. For example, I went to the reading house and to swim in a waterfall, and I liked it a lot. I come back on Sunday afternoon. I got because I stayed working last Monday. The weather in a farmhouse changes every day. In the morning it is usually cloudy, but it becomes sunny at night, and at night it gets hazy. It is recommended that they wear comfortable clothes for the day. It is recommended that people wear warm clothes during the cold. It advisable that the people use sunscreen. It recommends that people take a house ready. It avoids to take a bath in the pool. It is recommended to take pictures of the place. It is recommended to rest in hammock. It is recommended to watch something movie at night. What people should go. People should go to a country house for vacation. They should get away from the auditory pollution of the city. They should go reading houses and be in contact with nature. You should swim in a waterfall. You should take warm clothes for the cold. What people should not do. People should go to a country house for vacation. They should get away from the auditory pollution of the city. They should go reading houses in contact with nature. You should swim at the world should take clothes for the cold. Thank you.